주말랭게서 공감사. 단데케나 메시심티니 편정 하산네베 Dreame 없이 소리체베 내조 인게 세벨레 센들이 많이 레센기 적용바 간스로이. 드링아스 내조 인게 어리기 눕초 총기 LA Los Angeles 세벨 총기 델리아 레데예. 총기 디나라 은 점링 차체기 롱예 소저 망고여자. 내겨르여베 유가부 Hollywood 셰디 총기 디센다 제시들이. 레센 드링아스 내조 인게 냠도 Los Angeles 냠드지. 이거 되게
Why? Because this is my passion. I love to go to the movies, and I like to see who wins the Oscars, and it's fun thing to do every year.
So just for fun.
Just for fun. No other purpose but to have fun.
Yeah. So when did you start it?
I started doing this about 10 years ago, but dressing up about 4 years ago.
Who inspired you?
Just myself, my imagination. Just like in the movies, you imagine things when you put them on film. So I imagined this and I put it all together. I got my little award for the best dressed Oscar.
How long have you been dancing?
I've been dancing since I was 6 years old.
6 years old. I saw you twisted your arms. Oh my god, how did you do that? Is it a gift or is it just
I just taught myself. Until I special.
So how long did it take
For me to really get moves down and start to be able to create concepts and stuff, it took me like 2 months.
That was I was expecting like 12 years or something. So what do you want to pursue in the future?
I just want to keep doing what I'm doing. I did a Cirque du Soleil in Vegas. I work for the MPM in Vegas. I'm just out here, I'm modeling, singing, dancing, I'm doing everything.
How long have you been dancing?
For mostly about 10 years.
10 years?
It all started with my mother's dance company back in Gary, Indiana, called Beyond the Point Dance. Shout out to her. Basically just started from a love of just having fun, spreading positive vibes. It escalated onto me moving out here to California to pursue it further.
Do you have any exact goal in the future? What do you want to pursue?
Well, in the future, I want to be a mogul. I want to be a model, actor / dancer. So I want to do everything I can to get my foot in the door. So I'm just spreading positive energy, letting people know who I am. Joshua Hargrove, aka J Hart. Just letting people know who I am. That's my thing.
How long have you been practicing drums?
I've been playing drums since I was 3.
3? Who taught you?
I taught myself.
Oh.
I was going to church and I watched the drum every time I went to the church, and then I just picked it up.
So we have a lot of drummers like you into that. Can you say something to them?
Yeah, for
Encourage
sure.
them?
Definitely. Don't stop. Don't stop. A lot of practice, practice, and a lot of listening to other people's music and listen to it and practice. That's it.
Don't let anybody tell you you can't do anything. Right? Do what you want to do. Do what makes you happy. Make sure you love yourself. Treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself.
Well, never give up, first off. Always put in hard work and know that your lane is your lane. Don't worry about anybody else's lane, what anybody else is doing. God has a plan for you, and his lane, your lane that he assigns you, will be the lane that you need, and it will fit you perfectly. So just worry about you, and everything else will fall in place.